The Insolife Portable Rechargeable Bidet uses a 400 milliliter or 0.11 gallon tank, so you can take it with you wherever you may go. If you're someone like me who has gotten used to using bidets even at home, then this is a really nice portable option to have if you're going to visit friends and family, traveling, or even at work. Because the water's in a tank, you don't have to worry about hooking up your cold and hot water. You can just fill it up with the temperature of your liking and use the water at that temperature. The Insolife Portable Bidet has a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about constantly changing batteries. It does use a USB-C charger, and it charges up in about an hour and a half. I've been using this portable bidet now for about 3 weeks, and I still haven't had to charge it up. I did have a bidet previously that did use replaceable batteries, and I did find that as the batteries were depleting, it just wasn't as strong. You don't have to worry about that with this. On how to use it, once you have the attachment twisted on, you just press this button over here. One press turns it on the first level of spray, two presses turns it up to the strongest option, and then a third press turns it off. On the strongest spray setting, it takes exactly 53 seconds to completely deplete the water, and you don't have to worry about wondering how much water is left, because after 3 seconds, once it's fully out, it will actually turn off by itself. And you'll also notice that it's not spraying you. With this much time, you really don't have to ever worry about kind of doing the walk of shame to fill up your bottle and to use it again. Then again, you can always just bring an extra water bottle to fill it up with. Either way, 400 milliliters or 0.11 gallons is quite a bit, and 53 seconds of spraying should be able to get rid of most things for most people. The sprayer device is also IPX7 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about if it gets dunked in water that it's not going to work anymore, although hopefully it gets dunked in the water after you flush the toilet. The portable bidet comes with these 3 extra grill attachments. I thought initially that they were just replacements, but then I read further into it. It comes with this little key as well, so you can see here it's really easy to remove. There's 3 different attachments. One converts it into a 1-hole sprayer, another turns it into a 7-hole sprayer, and the last one turns it into a 14-hole sprayer. And in terms of strength, the 1-hole sprayer is definitely the strongest strength, and then of course 14 holes is the least strength. So you can really customize even between the 1 press and the 2 press for different strengths. There's also the different holes as well that will increase or decrease the power to your liking. I find for myself when I use the 1-hole sprayer on the number 2 setting that in most cases, 1 tank at maximum will get rid of most things for me. I just wanted to also show you guys here how loud the sprayer is. It's pretty quiet, but I'm gonna be honest, if you plan on using this in like a public place, the person beside you is going to hear that you're using some motorized device. So if that's something that bothers you, then you can also purchase non-motorized ones where you just squeeze the bottle. I've never tried those before. I don't know how well they work, but I do know that this motorized one does work really well. So if you want something that properly washes your bottom, you're probably gonna wanna go with this. And if you're like me and you're almost 40 and you have barely any F's left to give, then you're not gonna care if people know that you're using a portable bidet in a bathroom. I know I don't. So the sprayer has 2 options. By default, you would hold it upside down to spray, but you can also hold it right side up. You can see here that I'm holding it right side up and it's not working. The reason for that is there is a little gravity ball that you have to install. And then once that's installed, you can see here now that it does actually spray right side up as well. I'm not sure what the use case is for this. Someone maybe can tell me in the comments. Either way, you can use it right side up and upside down. To install the gravity ball is also really easy. You just basically put the gravity ball into the bottle, and then you take the other end of the piece and plug it into the bottom of the portable bidet, and then you just twist it right back onto the bottle. And now you can see here that it will also spray right side up. I have to say that this is much better than the portable bidet that I previously purchased, so I definitely want to thank Insolife for sending this out to me for review. This is definitely one that I'm going to keep and continue using. I find that it works really well for me at work, and I definitely have to wipe way less than I normally would. And you guys know how those work toilet papers are. Like, you just don't want to. You want to wipe as little as possible, so this will help you get there. It's not going to be as strong as an attached bidet on your toilet, so definitely don't expect that. You know, you definitely do need more time to wash everything, but it does a really good job. More often than not, I don't have very much left to wipe after using a full bottles use, which is a lot easier and nicer on the bottom, so I highly recommend that you get one. I'll have a link in the description where you can purchase one of these, and if you're interested in a bidet for your toilet at home, then I'll put a link there for you as well. And if you've made it this far, you should check out one of these 2 bidet videos next. It's going to change your life. Definitely give this video a like and hopefully subscribe to my channel if you're into these short to the point videos and reviews on things I buy and try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.